Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okeke Cynthia, and in this channel I talk a lot about career growth, personal finance, and self-development. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Now, in today's video, I'm explaining the different investment options for the year 2025. The first investment option is stocks. This is when you buy a share or a tiny part of a company. When the company grows, the value of your share also grows. For example, the individual stocks or the companies are Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, Google, Netflix, name them, Coca-Cola. These are the different individual stocks that we have in the market. Now, the second one is real estate. This is when you buy properties, be it residential properties or commercial properties. You buy them and then rent it out. Or you can also buy landed properties and leave it for some time or for some months, for some years, then sell it back. Sell it to get back your maximum profits. The third one is bonds. Now, bonds is when you lend money to a government or an organization or a corporation, and it will yield interest on your deposits, and also they will return your principal, that's the money that you invested in, at the end of its maturity. This is also very good for low risk investors. The fourth one is what is called exchange traded funds or ETFs. Look at this ETF as a fruit salad. You know, in a fruit salad, you have a bowl, and your fruit salad contains your mango, your oranges, cucumber, grapes, what have you, banana, and all of them. That's what consists of fruit salad. This is the same way. It's also applicable to exchange traded funds. It's a basket of different individual companies like Amazon, Tesla, and all of those individual companies. So when you are investing in an ETF, you are investing in a basket containing different companies. It could be 50 in number, or 500, or 100, or 2,000. For example, if you can remember, there is an index called S&P 500. Now, S&P 500 is an index following the top 500 companies in US. There is also another one called NASDAQ 100, which follows top 100 companies in the USA. There is another one called Russell and something 2000. It follows 2000 companies in the USA. Now, that is what ETFs means. Then another investment opportunity is called mutual funds. Mutual funds. Now, this is when you are tired of picking your individual stocks, or you don't want to pick your ETFs to know the best one to pick. You just give it to a management funds to do it for you. Now, mutual fund is a collection of stocks, bonds, and other assets, but it is managed by professionals. You will just give them your money and they will manage it, invest and manage it for you. Now, the fifth one, if I'm not wrong, the fifth one is what is called digital currencies or cryptocurrencies. You can invest in cryptocurrencies as well, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Solado, and many of them. But remember, it is highly volatile. You can lose your money at any point, and you can also gain your money at any point. Now, the sixth one is called the commodities. Do you know that there are things called commodities you can invest in, and it will yield high profit for you? For example, gold. You can invest in gold. You can invest in oil. You can invest in wheat. These are called commodities. Now, another investment option, whether it's the seventh or the eighth one, I don't know, is called high yield savings account. This is basically for emergency funds or for short-term savings. Now you put your money, you deposit your money in a savings account that will yield interest on your deposits instead of leaving it in a bank, or maybe the bank that has some savings products that will yield money, that will yield interest on your money, than leaving it like that. Because if you leave it in a bank, you will lose your money because of inflation. Then high yield savings account is very good, especially for emergency fund. When you have an emergency, you can quickly pull it out, solve your problem, and when you have again, you can deposit back to the savings product. Now the last one is your business or your side hustle. You can invest in your business. If you have a business already, you can invest in your business because it will yield high interest or high profit over time. Or if you have a side hustle, or you have a skill you want to monetize, or your talent you want to monetize, or that course you want to do, please invest in it. Do it, because it will yield profit and it will be a very great opportunity for you in the years to come. Let me rephrase, or let me list them again. We have the stocks, we have bonds, real estate, commodities, high yield savings accounts, cryptocurrencies, mutual funds, exchange traded funds, and your business or your side hustle. Please tell me the one or the ones you'll be investing in this year 2025. Leave a comment for me in the comment section, and please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and remain blessed. Love you. Ciao, ciao.